Hi, good afternoon everyone. This is the first project of an IoT subject, which we have two threads to be done. The first one is to display a local real-time clock every second on the serial monitor, and the second thread is to update the time with an NTP server every minute. So I will begin with my Arduino code. The first part is the include section, which I include some necessary library for the code right here. And then I declare some variable. The first part is the variable for the internet connection, and this part is the variable for the task, which I will use it later on the code. And then I do have some protocol used for sending packets over a network and address of the NTP server. Then the first function will be the setup function, which I set the baud rate to be the same baud rate as the serial monitor, so it will display the text correctly, and also set up the CPU frequency right here. And after that, I have the Wi-Fi connection code, which will display connected to Wi-Fi after the Wi-Fi is connected. And then I set and initialize the system time with the offset of 7 hours. And after that, I assign the tasks, which we have two tasks, the local time and the update time. So I assign each task to each core of the board. And since we do it as a task, so I skip the while loop here and then use the loop in the task. The first one is the update time task, which have the for loop here. And this task will display that the time is updated with an NTP server when the time is updated with the server every 1 minute. And the other task is to display a local time every second. So this is all the code that we have, and I'm going to compile. Okay, so as you can see, the Wi-Fi is connected, and the first time displayed is 3 p.m. 55 minutes and 13 seconds. So as the thread number 2 is supposed to display and the time is updated with the NTP server when it is 56 minutes and 13 seconds. And as you can see, the local time displayed every single second right here. So we will wait until the next 1 minute. Okay, so as you can see, the time is updated with an NTP server when the time is 56 minutes and 13 seconds, as we expected. So this is all the tasks that this is all the project that we have for the project number 1. And to make sure, I just compare the result with the NTP time. So as we can see, we exactly have the same time as in the NTP server, ignoring like the 3 p.m. right here and 3 p.m. on my local computer, which have the different setting. So we can see that the time is exactly the same time. Thank you.